Hello.
Hello.
My hair.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Hey,
so
yeah,
today
yeah, this is my cousin.
we have made a fidget spinner that
Yeah,
we're
that
gonna
looks
test
deadly.
out
That looks deadly.
on this.
Wait, I have to switch it.
In this like fan contraption thing.
It's
It's
we're
a
gonna
fan, a
yeah.
fan
So
down here, a fan right here, and a fan right
we're
here.
gonna put it right here, guys. And me and Charlie
Actually,
have tested
why don't we just put this one on top?
No, last time that didn't work. So we have tried, and this fidget spinner here is the closest to flying. Closest to flying.
It literally is just like hopped and then just jumped off.
Hops and jumped off. We have this just to give like the little extra wind power. We always
Okay,
turn
let's just do it. Let's do it.
so covered all the holes.
I'm gonna turn this fan on. Where's the power thing? There it is.
This one's on high. Okay, it's gonna get loud.
Okay, guys, let's do this.
Okay.
3, 2,
See how fast it is spinning.
okay.
Oh,
Guys,
going.
let's do this. Okay. Watch how fast it gets, guys. This thing gets insanely fast.
Sound distorted.
I know. I'm talking into your fan.
Look how fast it's going.
It's not going that fast. Oh yeah, this is.
Wait, spin it and then put it on there. Then take it off, spin it, and then put it on.
Come on, guys. There we go. More wind power. Oh, sorry, building. Oh. Look at that, guys. Look at all of that. Sweet.
Like something. So close. That's blowing the curve. Look how fast it's going now.
Guys, it's like spinning off. Oh, it's moving.
It is
Oh, it's so close.
wiggling.
Oh, come on. Oh, it lifted.
Give that, please.
I don't know what it stopped. Dang it.
This is science in the making here. Science.
Fidget spinner.
Science.
Okay, turn off the fans. Turn off the fans.
Okay. I'm gonna pause the recording for a second.
Okay, guys. We turned off the fans right now. And
Yeah.
we're going to try to fit this fan under.
It's not gonna work.
You never know.
We just tried it.
So we're going to try to fit it under so that it can freaking do this.
Oh, we turned it on. You guys just fiddling with the buttons.
Guys, you can't.
If only like we could use that bike and just make wind from that. What if you put a fan blade inside like the back tire of the bike? It'd be cool.
Maybe we could.
No.
Could you put this fan on one of these fans?
But what do you mean?
Like really tight.
You should put one fan under, one fan on top. Why? Why would you do that?
This morning. I swear, guys.
Science
this
in
has-
the making. Science in the making, guys.
Okay, let's move this over. Shout out to me. I'm gonna be making a
Oh yeah,
YouTube channel.
shout out to him. If
I'm gonna
this gets a lot.
We'll be making a YouTube channel. We'll film it in the next video. We'll talk to you guys about it. Guys, I think I might have just done it. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Mission.
Hold on.
I had to switch the camera thing. Okay, we are doing it. I want to see my reaction to this. Actually, wait, no, you know what? Never mind. Oh, where's the fidget spinner? Oh, there it is. You gonna put it on or what?
It's not like working or anything.
It's not like working or anything. Oh no. Wait, are all of them on?
This is getting super loud.
The bottom fan won't work.
Why?
I don't know.
You can't lift it up?
I can get it on.
What the heck was that?
There, I flipped the switch.
Is it turning on?
Yeah.
Nope, it's not on. Oh, you can't see that. Okay. Can't see that.
Oh, guys, it's not
What are
working.
we gonna do? Hey, you want to see if an iPod can fly?
Nah, it's not gonna fly.
Okay, you're probably
Get
right.
on. Come on. Check if it's
Frustrated,
flying. Check
sorry.
if it's flying.
Huh? Yeah, it's on.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to put the fidget spinner. Wait, is it working?
Well, what did you do?
Oh crap. Okay, I'm gonna need you to put the fidget spinner on.
Oh, then here?
Yeah, other way, idiot.
Oh.
No,
Oh, no.
Just spin the.
Okay. Bruh.
Brad, look.
Okay, let's do this. It's gonna work. Here, I'm gonna hold this up. This is what happens when you have nothing to do on a Sunday night. And you, bro, don't do that. Whatever that was. Oh my God.
Brad. Oh.
Come on. Come on. Volume no work. Oh, I can hear it like, oh. I can hear like it's very sweet push.
Okay.
Oh. Bruh. Oh, no, oh.
Ah, take it off. Turn it off.
Well, what do you mean?
Just turn it off. Okay, guys. We shut off the fan.
We don't know what to do.
This fidget
We
spinner.
saw like the Zach King video of like him doing it. Go check that out.
Yeah, go check him.
Like you
Subscribe.
no yeah go subscribe please. I know I say this every single video, but I'm gonna try to post more often, even though like really bad at doing that. I'm seriously gonna try because I know there are probably
So,
about
guys-
2 people that actually like watch every one of my videos. So thank you for
This
that,
fidget spinner. We're gonna try with the basic fan.
bro. What was
Wait,
that?
the
My
camera.
camera went blurry for a second. What? Okay, what?
We're gonna do this.
Are we just gonna try with one fan?
just like
This is
that.
like the last one because I don't think this is working.
Oh my
I
God!
need
The
better video
bearing
ideas.
came out.
Bruh. Oh! It's getting some good speed. Oh, it's moving. It's gonna cut your eye. Oh, wait, you have glasses. Never mind. You're good.
Whoa!
Oh, by the way, I'm probably gonna be changing my channel name. So,
Guys, we need longer wings. I'm telling you right now, guys.
if you make a YouTube channel, what are you gonna call it? Because everybody should go and subscribe to you. I think you should call it REG Man.
Sure, I'll call it REG Man.
Like lowercase RE, then capital G, then lowercase man.
No, I do it all caps.
Okay, fine. Do it all caps.
So guys,
Yeah, go
I
subscribe
will
to
be
him once you make his
making,
channel.
if you guys like pixel gun videos.
Oh yeah, I get and me and my friend Josh, you may know him. He's a Shadow Thunder in my videos, even though I haven't made a video in like 4 months. Yeah, we do videos a lot.
Guys.
We've been trying to do Minecraft videos the past few months, but like,
I will be doing a Minecraft video with him tonight, actually.
with me.
Huh? Okay, guys,
What?
look it. I'm gonna try the bearing.
Where?
Oh, guys,
I say that so much.
looks
It's
like
not-
it failed.
so-
Fidget spinner test failed. I don't know if he edited it,
Fail.
but it was a good shot. We
Yeah.
actually, I'd say flew because I saw
the
two.
bearing's the bearing's gonna hold on. The bearing's
no.
gonna fall into the fan.
This is what happened.
If that bearing falls into that fan, I will be very mad at you.
It popped up like that, and then just popped right back down. That was the test.
Fan looks blurry. My
Because,
camera quality is actually like not that good.
so,
I should actually
okay,
get a
guys.
camera instead of using my phone. Whoa,
Okay, guys.
Whoa! Here.
What?
Here, hold on. That's better.
Okay, guys.
But what, bro?
We are gonna go make my YouTube channel right now. Bruh.
Bleh,
Bruh.
bleh.
Okay, we're gonna go make my YouTube channel right now.
You're gonna do it right now?
Yeah, right
You can do it
now.
on your iPod. So
Oh, yeah.
go subscribe to him.
Shut up.
Yeah.
And
We should do some parodies. I want to do a parody of something.
okay, see you next video.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.